Issue: installing BootCamp drivers for Windows 10. I installed Windows 10 on my 15 Retina MacBook Pro. Once installed, I attempted to install the BootCamp drivers, but it keeps getting hung up on the Realtek audio driver. I even left it overnight thinking it was just really slow, but still no luck. Anyone have trouble with the install and or know what could be the issue here? Specifics: BootCamp 6, 2013-15 Retina MacBook Pro, OS XL Capitan, Realtek driver 2.84. I attempted to install the drivers individually, boot the BootCamp launcher that allows you to reboot into OS X, and the Apple touchpad driver is not installed properly. The touchpad does not allow for scroll or right click.
I had the same problem as well. The issue seems to be that the BootCamp software is looking for the correct Realtek drivers, but can't find them, so it just hangs. To fix it, manually install the drivers from Realtek while the BootCamp setup is running. Then, go to Task Manager, find the setup process, right-click and press Go to Details. Then find the Realtek setup.exe process and kill that. BootCamp setup will now skip that step and continue installing the rest of the drivers. And since you downloaded the Realtek drivers manually, you now have those as well. For more info, see this thread on Apple discussion forums. According to itPie, it is unnecessary to download the Realtek drivers. Just kill the Realtek setup.exe process, let the installation of the rest of the drivers complete, and then run this Realtek setup.exe process from list of software included in the BootCamp drivers. You can find this executable at .exe.
Brad Frost's answer seemed to work for many. But when I killed task the process, the whole BootCamp Windows setup failed. The solution that worked for me was to remove the Realtek folder from BootCamp /drivers and then run the BootCamp setup. Then the complete setup was successful. Then the Realtek audio drivers can be installed manually from the removed folder.
I found the fix to this problem. I installed Win 10 on my 15-inch MacBook Pro with BootCamp. I tried several times and BootCamp on Windows hung up on Realtek installation each time. Follow these steps to fix. Go to BootCamp folder, find Realtek, and install manually. Double-click Realtek setup. Go to Task Manager, click Details, find the Realtek task, end task. Do not end the entire BootCamp task. Installation will continue. All is right in the world.
First of all, thanks to everyone for sharing your views. I have faced this very exact problem about installing Realtek sound driver in BootCamp. Every time BootCamp just hangs. And the only simple trick to this very annoying issue is to kill the Realtek installation task by entering into your task manager. Just kill the process and the BootCamp installation will be completed successfully, and after that you can install the Realtek driver manually by entering BootCamp folder and the problem is gone. Enjoy. Smiley face.
If you want this book channel, please consider liking and subscribing.